Prime Minister Narendra Modi is holding a high-level meeting to review India's coronavirus situation and the vaccination drive in the country. The meeting began at around 11 a.m. today. Amid criticism by opposition leaders over handling of the second wave of COVID, which has overwhelmed hospitals across the country, the Prime Minister on Friday said that the pandemic, the worst in 100 years, is testing the world at every step. There is an invisible enemy before us. The pain that citizens have suffered, that many experienced, I am feeling it equally, PM Modi said while addressing an online event. He will also hold a meeting with officials of the worst hit districts on Tuesday and Thursday. India's COVID-19 situation remains hugely concerning, with several states continuing to see a worrying number of cases, hospitalization and deaths, WHO Chief Tedros said on Friday, warning that the pandemic's second year will be far more deadly than the first for the world. He also added that the WHO is responding to the COVID-19 surge in India and has shipped thousands of oxygen concentrators, tents for mobile field hospitals, masks and other medical supplies. India remains hugely concerning, with several states continuing to see a worrying number of cases, he said at a daily media briefing. Cyclonic storm Taukte, which is likely to intensify into a severe cyclonic storm within 12 hours, may hit Gujarat coast by Tuesday, the weather office has said. Gujarat and Diu coasts are under a cyclone watch. This is the first cyclonic storm this year as India fights a deadly second wave of COVID-19, which has led to a frightening surge in the country's caseload over the last 2 months. The cyclone is likely to intensify further into a very severe cyclonic storm in the next 24 hours. It is expected to cross Gujarat coast between Porbandar and Nalia on Tuesday afternoon. Narsapuram MP Kanumuri Raghu Ramakrishnam Raju was on Friday arrested by the Andhra Pradesh Criminal Investigation Department for sedition, weeks after the rebel YSR Congress leader asked the CBI Special Court to cancel the bail granted to his party founder, Chief Minister Jagan Mohan Reddy, in a disproportionate assets case. Raju was arrested from his residence in Hyderabad for allegedly acting in a way detrimental to the prestige of the state government, news agency ANI reported. The 59-year-old MP's allegations include that of corruption against Reddy's government. He has been charged under Section 124A, which is sedition, 153A, which is promoting enmity between different groups, and 505, which is conducing public mischief. China's probe to Mars touched down on the Red Planet early on Saturday to deploy its Zhurong rover. State media reported a triumph for Beijing's increasingly bold space ambitions and a history-making feat for the nation on its first-ever Martian mission. The lander carrying Zhurong completed the treacherous descent through the Martian atmosphere using a parachute to navigate the 7 minutes of terror, as it is known, aiming for a vast northern lava plain known as the Utopia Planitia. The mission successfully landed in the pre-selected area, state broadcaster CCTV said, launching a special TV program dedicated to the mission called Nihao Mars. Hello everyone. HW News English is 2 years old now. When we started this venture, we promised ourselves one thing, that news should remain free, because right to know is the right of every Indian. But to keep news free for everyone, we need support from some of you. And thus, we have rolled out membership on our YouTube channel, HW News English. But mind you, the membership is completely voluntary. The programs that we were doing earlier, that we are doing now, will continue to remain free. First level is a basic level. Here, you can be our supporter by paying Rs 199 per month. This membership gives you certain perks and benefits. The perks include unique badges in front of your name, a live show from Mr. Sujit Nair and from Mr. Akhilesh Bhargava per month for our members. You can also vote in some exclusive members-only polls. Now the second level is Super Supporter. Here you can be our Super Supporter by paying Rs 3,999 per month. This membership will include every perk that comes with basic level. Additionally, our Super Supporters can be a part of a WhatsApp group where we can have discussions and suggestions on various topics. The second perk includes a gift pack with our merchandise. And the third perk is a Google Meet with Mr. Sujit Nair, where you can join the meet and ask your questions to Mr. Nair face to face. Lastly, if you like, we would give a shout out to our super supporters in our programs. So, hope to see you soon with our badges.